March 19, 2018. This is another shrub, a healthy shrub, that's been in the yard for 28 years. That has been duly killed by the perps who've been invading my property for the better part of 2 years. The Manalapan police, who are aware of it, have done absolutely nothing to protect my rights or property, including the mayor, the deputy mayor, the lieutenant, the chief of police, 2 detectives, and 3 police officers, including neighbors. Now, I'm going to show you right here that these branches were intentionally cut off. This was, I mean, it's dead and it needs to be removed, but it was not dead at the end of last year. Over the winter and all of last year, people have been coming into the property at night during the day and intentionally killing all the trees, plants, established trees and plants around the property. When reported to the Manalapan Police Department, they ignore it. And this is going to be photo evidence that's going to be sent to the federal government. And you can see here and here. And now they're working on these shrubs as well. And somebody's been going around the entire property with either a pick or something, picking in all the bulbs that have been planted around the property. I'm a prolific gardener. I've been here 29 years. I planted everything here. I had a beautiful garden until these people invaded my property. Trespassing is a $1,000 fine per incident. And the Manalapan police have violated their oath to protect people and property and the Constitution of the United States and my amendments. And since I am of a protected class, this is even more serious. And you can see that they're digging up the roots here, and here, and here. I have wonderful evidence. I have evidence of people interrupting my Wi-Fi, my cameras. Here you can see they're picking up the roots from this shrub here, and here, and here, and all the damage they've done to the trees, and here, and there. And I am going to say for the record that any neighbor who is involved in the destruction of my property will be sued individually in a court of law. And I will not be moving anytime soon until this is solved. And justice is served. Signing off.